Hello, welcome.
Hey folks, thanks for joining us for super fun Wacky Wednesday.
Yoo-hoo. Today, Jerry,
Peeps.
we got Peeps on the go.
Yep.
This
so
is
we're
so fun.
using up all those extra Peeps we got for Easter.
Easter Bunny really thought we liked Peeps.
I know, we had a lot. So we put them to good use.
We did.
So we did do a bunch of experiments. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to bring it up on the phone there as well so I can see if folks are
If you're commenting
or what you're doing there.
Yeah. And now we're getting
And there we are.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn down the volume so I don't.
So Jerry, while you're doing that, we can tell everyone that we've got
Jeanette's on
our.
already.
Oh, hey Jen, hey Jeanette. We have our virtual Easter camp on the go.
We do.
Right now. So at 9 o'clock every day, 9 o'clock a.m., we do post a couple of activities for you to do and a fun make you move activity.
Yep.
So yeah, tune in then and just
awesome.
You can download the stuff and print it off. So
Love it.
Okay.
Love it. All right. So we're talking Peeps. Do you like them? No.
I don't like to eat them.
No.
Too sugary for me.
I could take them or leave them.
Yeah.
I mean, I can eat most anything really.
You can
Okay.
really.
So I got my Peep friend in the glass. We're gonna try hot water first. So what we want to know is, what do you guys think is going to happen? I'm going to pour the hot water into the glass with the Peep. What do you think will happen to our friend, the Peep?
Oh boy.
Let us know
What's
out
gonna
there.
happen?
Shoot us some comments,
Tell
folks.
us. What do you think?
Here we go. Freshly boiled Kittle.
Oh boy.
Freshly boiled water. However you want to phrase
However you
that.
want to
Here we
say
go.
that.
In goes the water on top of our nice, delicious
boy.
Peep.
Oh, Peep is like destroyed.
Oh, he is.
Holy
Good there, eh?
moly. I did not expect that. I did not. Jerry.
Tom Healy says yummy. He loves the Peeps.
You like Peeps, Tom? Oh, they're not
Hey,
good.
Shannon. Shannon says the Peeps are going to melt.
Yeah, you're right, Shannon.
Yeah.
It's
Color
melting.
obviously went right away.
Yeah.
So we're just going to have fun with this one. I'm going to poke it all day with the fork.
Oh, dear Lord. He's just going to poke it up.
Yeah, let's
Oh,
just try
yeah.
and pick it
Just
up.
look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it totally is. Just.
Melted Peep. Ugh.
Yikes.
Love it.
Okay,
Love it. Okay.
it's fun.
Melted Peep. We can revisit that one shortly.
Okay. What's next?
Hello, best family out in Valleyfield. Kiddos are watching.
Hello,
Hi, Lily and
August.
August. Okay, so next one.
Next
Let's start with the oil. So we got one. We put these in what, before 4 o'clock yesterday.
Yeah, I think so, around there.
So we have one that we've just put it in vegetable oil. So
Yes.
again, what do you think is going to happen to our Peep in the vegetable oil?
I'll be honest, I thought a lot more was going to happen. Just saying. But I will show you.
Yep.
So here is our Peep in the vegetable oil, as you can tell. I'm going to take it out with this fork. It is pretty much
It is. Yep.
exactly just like a little bit of color gone through there,
Yeah,
but,
but not
other
very
than
much.
that, this Peep is like a Peep.
Yep.
Like
100%.
see, look at that.
Yep.
Not
Eyes and
even-
everything's still on there.
Not even smushy or nothing.
Nope.
So, well, Jer, that one there, that's that Peep.
Yep.
Okay.
Now I didn't think much was going to happen to that one because I figured, I mean, you're putting it in oil, so I mean, if you're using oil for cooking, it sort of
Yeah.
forms that little protective barrier, I
yeah,
guess.
so I guess that's what it is.
Right, but I didn't know again.
Who
how
knows?
long.
Yeah.
So this one's a very interesting one.
We're dying for this one.
Ketchup. Ketchup.
Come on, Jer.
So we put this one in ketchup at about the same time, about
Yeah.
4:30 yesterday. Just
4.
smothered it in ketchup, or 4 o'clock yesterday.
Yep.
What do you folks think is going to happen
Dying to see this.
to the ketchup Peep?
What's going on?
Anybody? Tom, you got a guess? Lily, August, anybody? Ketchup. Ooh, ketchup is sort of hardened up a little bit.
The
So,
ketchup
oh,
is gross.
Really gotta.
We just really seriously just went through everything that was in the cupboard and just like threw Peeps in it. Just being honest here.
Really gotta pick this one apart.
Oh, it's gotta be gross, Jer.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Okay.
Oh,
Alright, so-
okay. I think he's like a
He
little bit
lost
bigger.
a lot of his color,
Yeah.
some of his eyes, and he is a bit plumper
Yes,
than
yeah.
normal. We're trying.
Yeah. Oh, it's just gross.
So much fun. And it is really, it's a lot squishier
Yeah, you can.
than you normally would.
Just by looking at it, it does seem like that. Okay.
Next on the list?
This is, I think, was it coffee? No, this one here is the Pepsi.
Pepsi, yep.
Okay, what do you think happened with the Pepsi? I'm surprised it didn't something like it didn't dissolve more.
Yeah. So I really did think this one was going to really.
Yeah.
Overnight, I thought it was just going to dissolve.
There's going to be nothing.
But I guess it's sugar and sugar.
But see, okay, here's what the Peep looks like, and you can tell there's
Ooh.
He's very hard to get out there. The discoloration is there on him for sure.
Yeah.
Like you can see, I can't even show you really. Maybe if I do this, you can see that it's really discolored. But he's and it's totally like.
So let's just compare it.
Mush.
So here's your regular Peep.
Yeah. Oh boy.
And
this one here you can't
there's
even
your
pick
Pepsi
up,
Peep.
right? And he's like turned color on the other side. Similar to what happened with our eggs. But he's really just like gushy and disgusting.
He is really gushy.
Yuck. Okay, next.
We have a little paper towel there.
Okay, good. I'll get some paper towel.
I will go ahead with the next one, and I think this is just water. I'll smell it, make sure. Yeah. So this one, just water. So again, what do you guys think happened to our Peep in just the water?
I again thought it was going to dissolve more, Jerry.
Yeah,
I
really did. I really did. Like
These
you can
Peeps
see,
can
obviously
stand
the color of the water is gone a little bit more pink,
Definitely.
and obviously our Peep is. Oh yeah, he's much plumper. So I'm gonna try and skewer him to the side here. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
So he is much.
He like
much
sucked
plumper.
up the water, no
Yeah.
doubt.
So there
Yeah.
it is. Kelly, can you hold up the one we got there? The other one, the regular one.
The
In
regular
there.
one?
Yeah, right there.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
So
this
here's
is
your
the
regular
one.
size Peep.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
this one is much plumper
And
and
more
thicker.
like jelly substance.
Yeah, but not as
Right?
squishy as the Pepsi one.
No, the Pepsi
Squish-
one was
the
totally
Pepsi one
just
really came apart.
fell into pieces, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. I guess it must be the acid from the Pepsi, I
So
suppose.
much fun.
As you can tell, we're having too much fun here today. Okay, Jared, the next one.
August guesses that they're going to come apart.
Oh,
Good guess, buddy.
Good guess. So that's an apple juice.
This one is apple juice. Yeah.
You know how acidic apple juice is?
Again, I really thought that a lot of these were going to really deteriorate
Yeah.
over the course of the night.
Like I thought we'd come in and there'd be no Peeps in there, but these Peeps, I'm telling you, throw them in for the apocalypse.
Oh, 100%.
Oh yeah. So
100%. Oh yeah. how's
kind of
that?
can't.
So there's a bit of a discoloration in that one too,
Yeah.
and it is
Yeah.
really gooey too, right? Yeah.
It
so
is
they've really absorbed the
really
water.
gooey. I don't know if I can.
Yeah,
Yeah.
stick it in there.
See?
It's so
It's
awesome.
really gooey, and not as gooey as the Pepsi in that I couldn't have spared the Pepsi. I don't think.
No,
But if I keep doing
it's
this,
going to come apart. Yeah.
he's coming to pieces there. A lot of his ears are coming out.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely not as gooey
Yeah.
as the Pepsi.
100%.
The Pepsi so far is the worst so far.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Next we have vinegar.
Ooh,
So this one, what'd you think?
I again thought there would be no Peep.
What do you guys think? We're putting it in vinegar. So I mean, vinegar always gets that interesting reaction come
Yeah.
through. Hi, Allison. Okay, so Peep in vinegar. Instantly, as soon as we poured this in yesterday, the color dissolved. And that was the first one that really did that. And I don't even know if I can pick this one up because it's very.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's very like, ooh, like very
Oh yeah.
come apart
It's
there.
like
Right, and you can see the color is completely gone on this one.
yeah.
Ooh,
Oh
see?
yeah.
All right, but if I take that one,
It's like slime.
this one comes apart like
Oh yeah.
I want to moosh with it. It comes apart and mixes in there like nothing.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's see this here. Oh yeah.
Really comes apart.
Oh
It's hard for you guys to sort of see that. Eh?
yeah.
We'll take some pictures of these afterwards. But this one, like I said, here it is now. It's coming apart
Mushy.
in pieces. Like
Yeah. So
just little tiny bits and pieces. So much
So-
fun at the recreation department here, folks. So
Always have a good
much.
time. All right, the last one.
Last
no,
one?
it's not last one because it's the last one in the liquid substance.
Yes, last one, liquid substance, coffee. So all you morning coffee drinkers.
Favorite thing of the day, coffee.
So we've been sitting into coffee since about 3:30 yesterday afternoon.
Yep. And this one is.
Ugh. Oh yeah.
He's totally and he's
Just
a
like
little
the
bit plump.
tar.
Yeah, just like the tar. He's not as jello-y, and as you can see this.
You can actually hold that one.
You can hold it, and it's not falling or anything like that. Like it falls a little bit,
Yeah.
but he's not falling to pieces. Like look, oh, just did. But yeah, see,
Oh yeah.
he is a bit mushy, no doubt. But Not at all like we thought. I thought he, again, would not exist.
Fun times.
Yep.
Fun
Okay,
times.
I
So
love it.
experiments with Peeps.
Yes. So we have other ones in.
Yeah, so we got a couple in the freezer.
Yes.
So we put them in the freezer about the same time yesterday. So again, we were just curious.
We're
Like,
just curious.
You know, I sort of thought that the Peep was going to shrink,
Yeah, I did too.
right? Because you know sometimes when you make ice cubes and the water sort of shrinks it together a little bit.
Yeah.
I really did think it was going to shrink up. So we're going to check it out. What do you think's going to happen? Peeps in the freezer, people.
Yeah.
I'm going to reach into the freezer over here, right nice and close, and we wanted to try the difference between two different
The
kinds.
pink Peep.
Peeps and chicks.
Chicks.
Bunnies or chicks or whatever. Nothing.
Look,
Right? Like nothing really happened.
No.
I was kind of surprised.
I was really surprised.
They're a little bit hard, but I mean, I don't think this would have to be out for very long in order for it
No.
to thaw out completely.
Yeah.
Right? I was surprised.
I really thought it would be like super small. It kind of doesn't have the texture, like, because I like to put my Charleston chew bars when I do eat them, which isn't very often now because I don't eat dairy, but I put them in and they kind of go
Tastes
like that.
fridgy.
But is it
No,
like that?
no, it's still really chewy. Really
Still
gooey.
really chewy, yeah, gooey.
Yeah.
Weird.
100%.
So odd. Oh,
We had so many watchers today. This is
I know.
awesome.
I love it.
So this one, Kelly,
Yep.
this is one that we left out,
Yep.
right?
You know they come in that plastic pack, right?
I mean, it's hard,
Yeah.
you know, but it's
Comes
only
in
been out for, this one's been out for 2 days.
2 days, yeah.
Right, so this has been out since Monday.
I
And
thought
can
it would
still,
be way harder.
I can still squish this.
Yeah.
Still got some squishability.
Yeah.
Definitely apocalypse food.
Yeah, yeah.
I think
Put
it would.
that
I
in
think
your
they would,
little-
you know, keep for quite some time.
Yeah.
That's my guess. That is my
That
guess.
is the guess.
on that.
All right.
Next
now,
up,
what are we doing, Jerry?
We are going to microwave. Okay.
I remember doing this with one of my friend's kids. We used to do this every Easter. We would
Microwave?
microwave the Peeps.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I want to try the both.
Okay.
So here we have our bunny and our chick. And we're just going to stick them in the microwave
You just gotta
for
go right
just
there.
a
and
little
stick 'em
30
in.
seconds. That's all.
30 seconds.
Put it in there.
So Jerry, we're also doing on our Facebook page, you can do the Commander Gander Easter egg hunt.
Yep.
So if you, and there's daily prizes for that one. So just, you know, go on at 10 o'clock, we release the clue, well it's like a picture.
Yep.
And you just say, I know,
Mhm.
if you know where it is. Because if you don't, and we message you and say, you won, but you have to tell us,
Where the egg is.
and you say it's the wrong answer, you don't get the prize.
Sorry.
Sorry. But yeah, so Commander's busy doing that.
Here we go.
Oh boy, here we are.
Microwaved the Peep. What do you think is going to happen here, folks? I'm very curious. Please drop your comments below.
Okay.
Let us know.
August says he's what?
August says it's going to melt.
Yeah, I think you're right, August. I think it's like in my mind. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They were
So
like,
they didn't melt completely, August buddy.
No, but they grew.
But they grew, and they're
Oh.
really soft.
Did you put that in for how long, Jared?
That was just 30 seconds,
Oh.
right? And I can just take that and mush that right together.
Oh boy.
Ah, I'm not going to eat that one.
No.
No. But they just simply mushed right on
Right
together.
Mm.
Awesome.
All right.
So,
What's
that's
next?
it for our Peeps.
Yeah, I'm gonna make Peeps slime.
Oh, right. Kelly's
Yeah.
going to make Peeps
So
slime.
maybe you'll
we're
do
gonna,
this.
We're going to talk about these eggs.
Yep.
Okay. So, I seen on the internet, because you know how much I like to try out stuff on the internet.
Mhm.
Rubber eggs. So you just take a regular egg and you put it down in vinegar and leave it. And the internet says anywhere from 48 to 72 hours.
Okay.
So we put these in bright and early Monday morning. I put one, I mixed one with blue food coloring.
Just so you can see the difference.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Egg number 1, egg number 2.
And let's be honest here, Jerry would not even let me touch these eggs. Like not even like put my little finger in there like that. He was so serious about letting this be the whole like almost 72 hours.
Okay, so the concept here is that the vinegar is supposed to dissolve the eggshell and turn the egg like a rubbery substance. So, it worked.
Did it work?
It has. So as you can see, like there's a lot of like goop on the top of my.
Yeah, every day there was a bit of goop. It used to gross me out.
So I don't know if that was the actual eggshell.
Oh my goodness!
Look at the size of the egg.
Oh my gosh!
Right?
That is crazy. I don't know if you can. Oh,
Look at the
just
difference
look.
in the egg. This is your regular egg. This is the egg in the vinegar.
And it looks like it's almost like see-through.
Oh, and it is like rubber. I
Oh,
can squish
good
it.
Lordy. Okay, can I touch?
Right? It's like rubber. I'm just going to come around so you folks can see it real good.
This is crazy. Oh my
Let me do here.
goodness.
See?
Oh
Rubber
my
egg.
gosh.
Ah,
That is madness.
so cool.
It does. It looks
It is
like
cool,
it's
isn't it, Shannon?
almost-
It is so cool.
Oh my gosh. This is the neatest thing. Okay, he's gonna. I thought you were gonna.
Should we pop it? Like, do you really want to see if this is an
Do
actual
you
egg?
think we should pop
Now,
this?
you know.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to.
So
don't
you
play
can
with it.
see it
Don't
was-
play with it at home. Don't play with it. That's the problem. It's not a rubber ball. Not a rubber ball.
Okay, so the
If
other
anybody
ones-
caught that, that would be awesome.
Well, we've got it because we'll see it later. Okay.
So this one, actually, I noticed
Yeah.
after it went in, had a very small crack in it.
Oh,
So
shoot.
again, you can probably see the yolk
Oh, yeah.
down there in it, right?
Yeah.
So this one actually busted open. The eggshell busted open on me.
Oh boy.
So I'm going to
Who
try
knows what's gonna happen here?
my best
Yeah.
to remove that. I was not expecting it to pop like it did, Kelly.
No. But just look at it now, Jared. Just look at the. This is look.
Here's the eggshell.
But look at this.
Yeah.
Oh.
And here's the blue one. This is the eggshell.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
That is
This
crazy.
is the eggshell. Blue eggshell.
Oh my gosh.
And it is. It's just like a balloon.
Oh my gosh, it is.
Awesome.
Totally.
So much like a
Good
balloon.
Lord, this is craziness.
That was my.
Oh boy,
my
what's
egg
the yolk gonna do?
Yeah, and my yolk.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure my yolk is still pretty consistent.
it is.
Yeah. A little bit of a rubbery texture to my yolk. Not much. Everybody need an egg yolk?
This
At
is
home?
crazy.
Yeah. A little bit, but not much more than a yolk normally would be. Yeah.
And it's super
popped pretty
slippery,
quick.
eh?
Very much so.
Whoa.
Look at that! This is
That is
actual eggshell.
Yeah.
My gosh, that's
It's
so awesome.
crackers.
Science,
It's
man.
amazing. Science is so fun and amazing.
Just blows my mind.
It does.
I'm gonna move this out of the way. We don't need that now, right?
So, to make our peep slime, we put in 5 peeps, and 1 tablespoon of oil. I will go to the microwave and zap this up. It says for 30 seconds. Jerry, what are you doing next?
Me, I am going to do everybody's favorite experiment. Baking soda and vinegar. Okay, so I have my peep. It's really whitewashed. I have my peep on my plate.
Yep.
I'm going to cover my peep in baking soda. So I want to see what's going to happen. So I got a big bag of baking soda here. I'm just going to give it a good coating.
Goodness, I can't wait to see this.
Alright, so I like the reaction. Okay, and don't worry folks, I'm going to bring this one right over to you guys. I got my vinegar and my baking soda peep. I'm going to bring this one over to you guys so you can actually see. Kelly's going to whip up our,
Yep.
where are we to here?
Right there.
There we go.
Oh.
Okay, so, I mean, you all have seen the reactions. We've done vinegar and baking soda before. So, again, what do you guys feel is going to happen? Let's give this
This is going to be
a
a
little
cool volcanic eruption. Hopefully.
roll.
What's going on? Oh, yeah.
It is dissolving the color a little bit.
Yeah. But not really the peep.
No, not really the peep.
How does this happen? That's crazy. Like, that peep is pretty much, if you like the taste of vinegar and baking soda, you could eat that peep.
You could.
Weird. Okay, so, Jer.
Yep.
Here they are. They're all melted together there. So what they say to do next is to put a tablespoon of cornstarch in with the peep.
Okay.
The peeps, the 5 peeps. And then start stirring. Now, as you can tell, the peeps are
Oh yeah. They're really going together.
mushy.
Really going together.
Yeah. And Jerry doesn't like to get his hands dirty.
Because we are making a fine mess here today. Tell you what.
We are.
So I'm going to be the cornstarch adder person.
He is, yep.
So
Okay.
the internet, the recipe just says to add cornstarch as needed. No,
As needed.
One.
Yeah.
It says you need at least 2, right?
Yep. It says 2 for sure.
And you just
Maybe
keep mushing
3.
that together as much as you can.
Now, earlier today, of course, you know me, I had to try it out because I am not like Jerry. I like to ensure that my experiment will work. Jerry loves to just be like, let's do
trial
it.
and error.
Yeah. So, as you can see, it's getting a little
Can you
bit
hold it
better.
up a little bit more?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Yeah. There it is.
See?
Oh yeah, so it is
Yeah.
kind of slimy, gooey.
Slimy, gooey.
One more?
Yep.
Okay. I'm just gonna
Alright.
throw in, so there's 3 right now.
Yep.
3.
Now, earlier today when we did it, it took 5. So, and it could be, you know what? It could be that the difference of the temperature of the microwave,
Mm-hmm.
right? Because this
Oh.
one seems
Yeah.
a little bit better, even though it is sticky, let me tell you. But
Don't get it
not
in
as
your
sticky.
hair.
Don't.
Don't get
And
it
make
in
sure you got your
hair.
apron on or something like that, because otherwise you're going to be
And
in
your
a
goggles.
mess. And I got my goggles on today because I knew we were going to be experimenting with a lot. Here, just put a little tiny bit right there, Jim. Okay. Now, like, I think this is great.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Peeps, I mean, there's so much stuff you can do with them. If you don't like them, if you don't like to eat them, and you have them, like, experiment with them.
It does get a little messy.
Put them in the freezer. Put them in
Yeah.
your potato shooter gun thingy. See how far you can launch one.
Oh my gosh, that'd be
Right?
so fun.
Leave one out by the door.
I did
see
see
what happens.
one that had one today that had it was like make a catapult,
Yeah.
like with popsicle sticks.
Yeah, using the actual Peeps as like
Yeah.
levers and stuff. I've seen that one as
Oh
well.
my
Yeah,
gosh,
so cool.
so fun.
So awesome.
Okay, so here's the slime. I'm never getting this off my hands again. Just saying.
Oh, we should have done the egg dip experiment.
I know, we
first.
really should have.
It
That's
was
okay.
awesome.
No, we'll do it. This is great. Okay, so here we go. Lots of slime. As they said in the video, it's just like what you would think.
Oh,
It's just a little bit not as slimy, I guess, even
No.
though it is sticky.
Yeah.
No doubt.
And it's when you were using it this morning, it had the consistency almost of Play-Doh.
Yeah, the more cornstarch you put in there,
Yeah.
the more like Play-Doh it will feel. See?
Awesome.
More like Play-Doh now.
So much stuff you can do with Peeps, folks.
It's crazy.
Right? And if you do these experiments at home, you know, like, it's a great idea if you're doing them with your kids or you're doing them yourselves. Keep a little logbook.
Yeah.
Right? And you can see like the look of your Peep, the consistency of your Peep, the feel of your Peep.
Yeah.
You know, and just log those every couple of hours and see how it works out for you.
All right.
It's stuff to be had.
It is. It's so fun. Okay, our last one, Jer.
Yep. Last one.
Okay. Now for this one, I'm going to put on gloves because again, yesterday when I was doing it, it was a little bit messy.
Here's your egg.
Now yesterday, Jerry did blow the yolk out of it or whatever.
I
Are
did.
you going to use?
No, I'm not going to use those.
Okay.
So yeah, you can blow the yolk out of this one.
Yeah.
It's up to you guys if you do that or not. So
So.
if you're blowing the yolk out, we just poked a little hole in one end,
Yep.
poked a little hole in the other one.
Yep.
Just took a little
Yolk
bit
came
of
out.
time
It
to blow
did.
it out.
I thought Jerry was going to pass out. Just saying.
Oh, getting short on breath there. So this
So-
is what, like a tie-dye type of egg?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So, like, you can, if you had the yolk out of it, you could just take it, and when you see what we're finished product, you could, like, lay them around, decorative and all that fun stuff.
Mhm.
This is just for fun. So, I seen this, and I think I'm interested.
Yeah.
Do you
that's
want
where we
gloves
find
too, or
most of
no?
our recipes. No, I'm good.
No, you're good? Okay. All right, so what you do is you take, I'm going to take a color.
Okay.
So you take a color, like so,
Nail polish.
nail polish, yep. This is just from the dollar store. And you just like kind of drop it in. Now don't pour it in, Jerry, but drop. And you'll see what happens. Just drop, drop, drop.
Cool.
So as it drops in, I don't know if you guys can't see this, but as it drops in, you will see what it's making? It's almost like a protective membrane
It is.
around there.
Oh, look at yours. Yours has got a lot more.
I know. So you just put in some more. And then, to make it like multicolored, we bought some fun, look at this one, it's so cool. It's like glittery. Oh my gosh, so fun.
I'm gonna put some
So
pink
you
in mine,
take
too.
that, yeah, and you just, and on the thing they kind of show you sometimes just to dip it in like this. I just find if you drop it in, it doesn't take the process is not so long. Because, as Jerry and I have said multiple times, our patients are not fabulous.
This is so cool.
It's so neat, isn't it?
This is awesome.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw some blue in mine. And like Jerry, like I'm gonna like mix it like this, like right around like this. Now we might never be able to use these bowls again, so probably don't use your best bowls from your grandmother or anything.
You get some old plastic ones from Dollar Store or something.
Yeah. So then you take your egg. This is where it gets messy. You take your egg and you dip it in.
I'm gonna try mine on a spoon.
Okay. And this is what comes out. You see that? I'm going to come a little closer because there's a lot of whitewash on here today. We're not quite sure why. But see this? Oh, I can't even find this. Oh, it's right here. Whew. Here we go. Look at that. See the glitter? I put in some blue. I put in some glitter. So fun.
So cool.
So it was just like plastic, as you can see from my glove there too. It's just like plastic. Came right on over it.
So I'm gonna bring mine over, folks. So again, I did mine. Where are we at here? There we go. See?
So neat, hey?
So awesome.
So of course Jerry said to me, "What's the science behind this, Kelly?" And I looked it up, and believe me, there's a whole page there. But long story short, it is because the nail polish is less dense than the water, so it sticks. And there's like binders and stuff like that keeps it together, obviously, when you put it on your nails, and that all goes to form this little like plastic wrap almost over your egg.
Awesome.
So neat.
Science.
I know. Science is
love it.
amazing.
We love it.
And they said on there, that you could, like, because of course we only got one side done, they said you can pop it back in.
Oh, it does too.
Right?
It's almost like when she dipped it down in, it's almost like the water's catching over, like it's starting to freeze.
See?
Like,
You can see that little piece
so
there.
cool.
I might be able to show you closer with Jerry's.
Yeah.
That's where I didn't.
So cool, folks. That's awesome.
So see right here.
Bring it up, bring it up,
See?
bring it up.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Yeah.
Right?
Oh, awesome. That's a great shot.
Isn't that neat?
That is so cool.
Yeah. I thought that's great.
That's awesome.
That is so
I
fun.
love it.
Wow.
So again, folks, if you're trying these experiments out, or if you've come across an experiment and you want to suggest it, some of these were suggested to us. The egg and the vinegar one was one that was suggested to us by a couple of different people. So if you want to suggest some experiments for Kelly or myself to do, by all means, certainly let us know.
Yep.
Also, too, I want to let you know we're doing an age-friendly survey on our Facebook page.
That's right.
Very important. We are looking for your feedback, so if you get an opportunity, by all means, check that out.
Yeah, exactly. And we'll be seeing you back here again next Wednesday.
What are we making Wednesday?
Ooh.
Can you remember?
Not sure yet. No, can't remember.
Okay.
Might be popsicle sticks, I think, but I'm not
Treat
sure.
for Wednesday.
It is.
All right, folks. It's
Thanks
been a
so
slice.
much.
Yeah.
Have a great day.